Hey everybody. No. Over here. Over here. Come over here. Hello everybody. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to show you the perfect way to apply a sticker bubble free. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, what do you need for this project? There's a few things, not a lot, but a few things that you need. First off, I've got two super clean microfiber rags here. These are rags that have only been used on paint, nothing dirty, anything like that, because we don't want to mar up the paint. I've got some soapy water. How do I know that it's soapy water? Because I've got my label that says soapy water here. So we've got some soapy water. This is just baby soap, a little tiny bit of that in here. So that's good to go. I have 90% isopropyl alcohol mixed 50-50 with distilled water in this bottle here. I'll explain what that's for in here in just a minute. Obviously, you need your stickers that you're going to be applying. This applies to all makes and models, any kind of car paint. I'm just happen to have a F-150 here. And I also have an applicator. This actually came with the stickers that I purchased. If you happen to be doing this on a F-150, I actually am going to have links for everything that you need down below, including the stickers that I purchased. Everything is on Amazon. Doesn't increase the price that you pay for it if you buy it through my link. It just helps me out a little bit, but you pay the same price. So if you're interested in any of these products, they'll all be linked below. So in preparation for this, the reason I took the stickers off originally was because the previous owner or whoever had it before had waxed the vehicle, but there was tons of wax buildup around the sticker. Sticker's a couple years old. I wanted to paint correct the whole truck anyways. We've gone ahead and done that. The truck is paint corrected and prepped. I actually have waxed this entire area, but when we go ahead and clean it, which I'll show you in just a minute, we're gonna be removing some of that layer of wax. I actually used a spray sealant, a synthetic spray sealant. So after the sticker's applied, it's gonna be super easy to reapply in that section and basically protect the vehicle from that point. So what we wanna do to get started actually is to clean the area with alcohol, isopropyl. Again, this is 90% isopropyl alcohol mixed 50-50 with distilled water. Make sure it's distilled, otherwise you can get water spots and things like that. So what we're gonna do is kind of mist this area that the sticker is gonna be applied in, and I'm going to wipe it down with this clean microfiber rag. And the section that I cleaned is just a little bit bigger than the actual sticker itself. Actually gonna do that one more time just to make sure we've got it. Oops. I'm actually gonna do that one more time with the isopropyl again to make sure that we've got everything removed in that section, just like so. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is test fit my sticker in the area and get a good idea of exactly where it's going to go. In this case, I want to start it about the edge of the fore, about an inch away from this crease in the fender here, and about an inch below the crease there. We obviously want to make sure it's straight and all that good stuff as well. So this is going to be a perfect fit for this section here. The next thing that I want to do is get my soapy water, and we're going to just cover the entire area here with soapy water. If you want, you can kind of feel it with your hand to make sure that there's not anything that's going to get stuck under the sticker. Make sure it feels good. And once it does, you can kind of spray it again. Now this is a good time to mention, you may, depending on how confident you feel, it may be a good idea to kind of mark some areas with some masking tape to give you a reference point of where the sticker needs to go. I've done this a ton of times, so I'm not really that worried about it, but that might be an extra step that you may want to do. What's nice is with the soapy method here, I can make sure and kind of move it around to make sure that it's straight before I actually start squeegeeing all of the water out. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my sticker from the adhesive here, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the back of the sticker. I'm just gonna soak it with soapy water. Just make sure it's nice and doused. And we're gonna go ahead and put it onto our fender here. So now I can kind of move it around. You can see it's movable on here. And I'm gonna kind of get my witness marks and make sure that is going on exactly where I want it to. Making sure that it's straight. And I like that right there. So what I'm gonna do is start at the center of the sticker, and I'm gonna gently start squeegeeing the water out from it. Just like so. And I'm gonna start from the center and work my way outwards. You gotta be fairly gentle to make sure that you're not moving the sticker around. And we're gonna go ahead and start squeegeeing out this way now. At this point, the sticker is pretty secure, but you still wanna be gentle with it. And start squeegeeing everything out. Kind of focus on the center, and working your way outwards from the center is the best way to do this. You're gonna wanna work all of that out. There's a lot of moisture on the top of this sticker as well. From the soapy water, it kind of helps sticker basically stay lubricated so you don't put any scratch marks in it with your squeegee here. So we're just gonna kind of keep working this out. Making sure we get all of the water out from under it. And at this point, you can see there's no more moving the sticker. It's in place now. And we're kind of just working all this as we go. And it's looking really good at this point. So I'm gonna take the original blue rag that I used to kind of wipe off and dry off the area. And it's winter here, so it's kind of cold. But if you're in a warm environment, a really great idea would actually be to take this outside and just let it set in the sun. And what that'll do is, if there's any really small pockets of air left below the sticker, it'll help to remove those pockets and stuff as you go. But this is basically finished up. This is a super quick process, and I really want to kind of reiterate that I am not a professional at doing this. This is a super simple thing to do. And so please don't be scared of doing this if you find yourself in a place where you need to redo a decal on the side of your truck, car, van, whatever it may be. Really is a super simple process if you use this method. So really quick here, I actually want to show you exactly what this looks like up close. The panel is still drying from there being water and stuff on it, but this is, in my opinion, perfectly straight. To what I can see with my bare eye, there's zero bubbles or anything in the sticker. Really is just a flawless install job there. So really super simple to do, actually. If you guys have any questions, you can comment down below. And if you enjoy this kind of content, there's a ton more on the channel and a ton more coming. So consider subscribing to the channel. We really appreciate it, and we're gonna be bringing you some really awesome content moving forward. So thanks again for watching. Bubbas Fabrication here. We're out.